Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I wanted to make this video for a specific viewer who asked it. I know I'm kind of delayed with a lot of my videos lately. I've just been under a lot of stress with the school I've been going through. So this is how I have the springs set up on most of my Yanmar L70s. So just to give you an idea, let me zoom in here. Let me get manual focus on too. This video probably won't be too long, but if you see there, see how the stopper goes right up against the metal. And the other side, let me actually just pull this out. Bear with me for 1 second. I know that was more than a second for everyone who's being literal over here. Flip this around. So I showed you all how the first one goes. If you notice here, this is how the second one attaches. It's pretty easy. It pretty much lays right on top of that metal here. So see how that metal attaches here. Now this is the way I have it. I'm sure there's other ways you can have it, especially since there's other designs for that. And let me also show, let's see if I can get a clear view. Currently I have it, this is hard to do. Alright, there we go. So I have it on that first small one on the top, and down below, let's see, let me get zoomed in over here. Should be, there we go. Nope. Some of these are going to be a little harder to show, but the second one is on the second. There we go. Okay, second one down below, so it's the second hole in. That's for that setup. In reality, just kind of play with the spring itself until you get your specific position that you want. Did I put it on this one? I think I did. Sorry, I got projects here that I haven't even shown you guys. It's probably like 2 weeks out. Oh yeah, so this one I haven't even set up, but the reason why I'm not even putting that entire spring setup back is pretty simple actually. So I don't think I've shown any of the John Deere videos, but I do have it apart right now. I'm not going to go into detail because that'll give away the videos. But for the throttle, I'm completely eliminating the entire little panel that used to be here. And I'm just going to attach this right to that hole. That's it, right? And it's going to go straight down to the throttle. That's it. It's as simple as that. I'm not going to go super crazy with it like I thought I was going to. I don't think it's needed, honestly. If that changes, and I think that it is needed, obviously I'm going to make another video. There's going to be tons of videos talking about this John Deere, and another one. I'm not even going to show too much of this because I don't want to give away content. But with the throttle setup like this is actually using the choke cable, because you don't need much movement with these diesel engines. I believe I had it on this far one over here. Let me see if I can get it in there. Yep. Attaches right there, and throttle moves. And because the throttle cable is a shorter length, it moves way easier. So this will move perfectly. See? Full throttle, no throttle, full throttle. And again, I'll go into full detail why I have this apart. Why is the fuel tank not here? Why is the original engine not even in this right now? Why I even converted it to diesel. You know, I'm going to go completely into that. But for now, I'm going to leave you off with that. So, if you guys have any questions on these, you know, I try to answer these as fast as I can. This is going to be the latest video. So for the next 2 weeks or so, when I release videos on Thursday morning or evening, whichever one is easier for me. Probably be Thursday evening through Sunday evening. A lot of these videos are going to be in the past, unfortunately. I did that on purpose because I knew that this class that I'm currently in, it's a 1-month class, and I'm getting 9 college credits from it. Give you an idea of how fast-paced this class is. So, don't fear though. Gonna continue working on these things, gonna continue making videos, but I know that there's gonna be a week or two that I'm gonna have to miss out on videos, and I was fully aware of that in the beginning. But it's a class I definitely need, and we're gonna keep going. I'll give you more updates on everything else. Just give you a quick glance over. Oh, don't look too hard. Don't look too hard. Oh, 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 oh. What happened? No, I'm kidding. But, alright, you guys, stay tuned. There's going to be a lot more content. A lot of the content, like I said, is in the past, but it's within 2 weeks that I've made it. Should be about 10 videos, I would say, approximately. But, yeah, stay tuned. Again, any questions, feel free to ask me. I'm starting to become, I think, pretty knowledgeable on these engines, so anything. I got the 186F here. The rebuilt one is over there, but I don't want to give it away any more details. Alright, YouTube. Diesel Dan Peters, signing out for now.